What's up guys, Dave Moss Jr. here, and this is one of the most anticipated videos ever. I'm doing a full review on the Ice Up Industries Barrel Cold Plunge / Hot Plunge. You guys have asked for it. Today, the owners of the company literally drove up from Fort Lauderdale to hand deliver this, hand set this up, answer all my questions, and show me how this thing works, and I'm blown away. So check this out, let's get right into the review. So full disclosure, I review a lot of today's health, fitness, and wellness tips and tools. Cold plunging happens to be one that I'm super passionate about. So I met with the team at Ice Up Industries. They wanted me to do an honest review for them, so I'm gonna give you an honest review. There's also an affiliate link in the description below. You can use discount code MOSS. It's gonna save you 50 bucks off of already one of the most affordable cold plunges on the market. I think that is the most affordable cold plunge on the market. So just wanted you to know that. Check that link down below. So this is one of the most affordable full service cold plunges on the market today. It is compact and inflatable. So the lid, the barrel, they also have a tub, and the stairs are all inflatable. You can deflate them. They fit right into a carrying bag to take with you anywhere you want to go. The chiller is a very simple, not heavy box, has everything you need built right into it. The fan, you hear that? That's as loud as it gets. And that's everything running. That's the pump, that's the chiller, and that's the ozone generator. There is an ozone generator here too. Very simple, we just filled it up and just got it started. There's a run button, the set, you turn it up, turn it down, and this is the UV sanitizer, sterilizer. You turn that on, it runs for an hour, and then you don't have to press the button again. It'll run for an hour and it self-turns off. This whole thing is also set up to turn off when it needs to. So you can leave it plugged in and leave it set at all times. Once it reaches the desired temp, it's gonna turn off. It'll keep pumping water to keep the water nice and clean, but it'll turn off the chiller so it will conserve power and energy, which is super cool. Another really nice feature I like is this display. They didn't waste a ton of money on touchscreen displays or anything like that, and that's why they're able to be one of the most affordable cold plunges on the market. You can actually pull this off. Oh, I grabbed it wrong. Pull this off and you can put it at the top of the chiller if you want to be able to see it from the plunge, or if your setup is different than mine, which is super cool. And then as you can see, it just latches right back on there to keep it out of the elements, and it's all covered with this nice little thing here. Yeah, buddy, let me open that for you. On the back of the plunge, one thing I love is the filter is super easy to get to. It's right here, super easy filter to change. And I also got the 6-month maintenance kit, which comes with 6 filters, so I can change this filter out every single month. It does have 1-inch tubing, so the 1-inch tubing allows for a great amount of water to flow, which is gonna allow this to chill your water or heat your water really, really fast. Super easy to install. Literally the tubing just went right onto these little clamps here, runs right in here. The outlet is at the bottom, so it's able to pull the debris that might settle at the bottom in, go through the filter, and obviously make your water clean and cold. And then the water inlet that goes back into the plunge is right here up top, which is a cool spot. Let me show you why. Now this lid that's also inflatable is sealed tight. You got these straps right here and these clips. You can clip it, take it off. There's 2, there's 1 on each side. So I can take that off. Super cool. Now the inflatable steps here are super cool. They have these straps that hold them down. So obviously if it's really windy, your steps aren't gonna blow away. And they also look really cool. And you step up these inflatable steps to get right into your plunge. Another really cool thing is there's a ton of room, 32 inches by 32 inches. Obviously it's just a big circle, but from the top all the way to the bottom. So when I got in here earlier, I was shocked at how much room I had all throughout this. There's so much room, and I was super stoked on that. Not to mention it's just about 40 inches to the top. Now you don't wanna fill the water all the way up. So when I got in here, I was able, I'm 6'1", I was able to get in here and get water all the way up to my chin without even trying. So I'm super stoked on the amount of room I have here, and all 4 of my kids got in it earlier just to check it out. So much room, super stoked on that. Now to answer a couple questions that you probably can already find online, this chiller can set down to 37 degrees. If you get the heating option, you can also set it up to 104 degrees with the same beautiful setup right here, just adding the heating option, which this has. I'm super stoked. My kids are super stoked. We're gonna have to check that out as well. And I asked Cory, one of the owners, how is it that you're able to keep this quality up, but also make this super affordable? And here's what he had to say. All right, Cory, so the #1 question I've been getting is, why is your product so much less expensive than the rest?
So basically, the main thing is this guy right here. We went a very simple route with this, focused more on the performance and the core components of the unit as opposed to the aesthetics. A lot of these other companies have, you know, their logo laser engraved in the side of their chiller, which you know, runs up your cost. Fancy touchscreen runs up your cost. We don't have Wi-Fi compatibility. We didn't see that as a necessary feature. Obviously, you know, being able to adjust the temperature, or, you know, on your cold plunge from your phone is cool, but more of a gimmick. Most people probably won't use it. So by eliminating all those things and just focusing on the core components, like I said before, we were able to kind of bring the price point down, piece everything together for you guys. Kind of a good bridge between your DIYs and your expensive $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 cold plunges.
Love it, bro. What a great explanation.
Yes, sir.
I also asked Cory about the 6-month maintenance kit, which is an option, and here's what he had to say about that. All right, bro, if somebody wants to get the 6-month maintenance kit, what do they get?
Everything SAUNA. Spa up, spa down for your pH.
Beautiful.
Oxidizer, and then your little sanitizer guy right here.
Nice.
Simple. And then of course the most important part, test strips.
Gotta do it.
Got your measuring cup.
Sick.
And
tons of filters.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that's great. All right, so a couple things to know. If you're gonna buy this, or if you already have it, a couple things you really wanna know is there's no self-primer. Is one of the things that they were able to keep out of here, and that's one of the things that keeps the cost down. But it's super simple, it's not a problem. What you're gonna do is once you fill your tub all the way up, your barrel all the way up above the second eyelet, you're gonna take your hose that's spewing out water from your hose or your filter, wherever you're getting water from to fill this up, and you're gonna fill up both of these tubes as much as you can. You wanna make sure that water is filling up both of these tubes so there's no air pockets or very little air pockets. You're also gonna notice that your filter is gonna fill up with water when you do that, and that's gonna fill up the lines in the chiller. So when you turn this on for the very first time, you won't hear any whining noise. If you hear a whining noise, that means there's air in there, and you're gonna wanna fill it up with more water. So take a hose and just on the inside of the barrel, shoot the hose into this eyelet from the inside of the barrel. I don't have the lid off right now to show you. I have the ozone treatment on right now, but just fill it up, and it's super simple. When he explained that to me, I'm like, that actually makes a lot of sense. So a couple first impressions just for me. I haven't been able to experience the cold plunging yet because I just turned it on and it's already getting down there. So this afternoon, tonight, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do my first plunge. But first impressions, I love the look. This is it. It doesn't take up a lot of area. I actually have it out here on my dock because it looks really cool. It looks lakey and it doesn't take up a lot of room. Super easy, doesn't pull a lot of power. I'm really stoked on how it looks. I'm really stoked on the lid too, how the lid's gonna be able to keep the debris, and I can tighten it down really nice and snug, keep bugs, debris, rainwater, etc. out of my plunge, keeping my water nice and cold and also nice and clean. Super stoked on that. Stoked on really everything they've done. I like the steps. The steps look really cool. I like that they're anchored down. I didn't know that. I was a little concerned having it out here if the wind picks up and blows them away. But I have it strapped down. The chiller's got enough weight where it's not gonna move. The 1-inch tubing is gonna put a lot of water through the system really fast, which is gonna keep my water cleaner, chiller, and obviously more water flow is great. I also really love where they put the jet that comes back into the plunge. And I like that they added the bubbles so that it keeps the oxygen in the water, keeping the water clean, but it feels really nice. So I jumped in here a little bit ago while the water was still not cold yet, and I liked where it was. It was right on my vagus nerve, right in between my shoulder blades. So when I have that really cold 40-degree water, 37-degree water coming out, it's gonna be hitting me right where I want it to hit me. And it also has a nice little pressure, so it's gonna feel, you know, kind of like a jacuzzi. So I like that. It's these little touches. As far as deflating and taking it with you, it does come with a carrying case. So all the deflatable parts of this can deflate really nice. You can put them nice and tight and put them right here in this little carrying case. So if you do need to move it or take it with you, or you want to take it portably anywhere you want to go, super easy. And here's something that a lot of people don't understand. So being that it's inflatable, there's not going to be any bleeding. So if you wanted to have this plunge on the inside of your house or somewhere where you don't want to have a bunch of water on the ground, a bunch of condensation on the ground, this is a great option for you. These inflatables are great. I have realized that there's almost no bleeding, no condensation on the outside because of that amount of gap of the insulation. A couple quick tips when you are filling this up for the first time: make sure you get one of these water filters. Do not shoot it immediately into your water. There's a little bit of that black carbon that will come out in the first 5 seconds. So put your hose on this, turn your hose on, aim it away from your chiller, aim it into the grass, aim it somewhere else. Let all the black carbon filter through, and then put your hose into your plunge. So when you're filling your plunge up for the first time, you are gonna have the cleanest water. Another tip that I like to use is, I don't like to use a lot of chemicals at all, but I choose to use hydrogen peroxide food grade. I put the link to where I get this from on Amazon in the description of almost every one of my videos. A lot of people use it. It works really, really well. People ask me how much I use. I put like a cup in when I'm filling this up for the first time, and then about every week when I feel like it needs it, when I start feeling the sides of my plunge get a little slimy, I'll throw about another cup, couple capfuls in. Just depends on how much you really feel like you need or how nasty you are when you're getting into your water. Obviously with a really good filter and an ozone treatment as well, built in, I'm probably not gonna have to use too much of this, so I'm pretty stoked on that too. So a couple final remarks for this first video. I'm gonna have a lot of videos to follow this on the ISUP Industries, and I want you guys to please let me know in the comments below, what do you wanna know? So when I do these reviews, I'm answering questions that you have, and I'm answering questions that I had. So I gotta tell you, I love the fit, I love the finish, I love how this looks, I love the function, I love what they've been able to do, and more importantly, I really love that they were able to be the cheapest, most inexpensive full-blown cold plunge company on the market. So this is gonna allow a lot of people to get into cold plunging and experience the benefits of cold plunging that really wouldn't have been able to up until this point. They would have had to do a DIY, they would have had to start with ice baths and showers, which can also get, not the showers, but the ice baths can get expensive too. So I wanna encourage you, if you're new to this and you're interested in getting into cold plunging and you wanna start in the affordable zone, this is definitely a great plunge to consider. And I wanna say that in the hour that I've had this, I've had it for an hour, 2 hours now, I love that the fact that it's not loud. I love how it looks. I love their color. I love their branding. It's super simple. I love how they designed everything, and they really did a great job. And more importantly, I love that it's in a price point that many people can afford. And it looks cool too. Like you can put this on your back porch, you can put this in your garage, and you're not gonna have any issues, and it's something that people are gonna wanna experience. And you can be the person like me that's getting more people into cold plunging, which is, at the end of the day, the whole goal is to try to help people get healthier and live happier, healthier lives. So it's super exciting to have partners like ISUP Industries that have a plunge that's affordable, and they're right here out of Florida. I'm a fan, man. I'm stoked. Honestly, I didn't know. I thought this might be like too good to be true. Like, it seems a little inexpensive. Maybe it's not that great, but I talked to the owners. They literally came and delivered this to my house. Stoked on it, man. If you would like to check this out for yourself, I'm gonna post the link to ISUP Industries in the description below so you can check out and answer any questions that I was unable to answer. And if there is a question that I did not answer or go over in this video, please post it in the comments below. I read every comment. I respond to every comment that's a legitimate comment, something, not somebody being mean, telling me my mustache looks weird or something like that. But if you have any questions that I didn't go over, please post them in the comments below. I'll be posting more videos on this as I experiment with the cold and the hot features and the longevity of it. But I will tell you this, I was excited to hear there is a full 1-year warranty. They are located here in Florida, in the United States of America. So I'm pretty stoked on the product, super stoked on the people behind the product, super stoked on getting in the product myself. And I appreciate you. I'm super stoked on y'all. Appreciate you guys for watching, engaging with these videos that I post and these reviews that I post. And just honestly, it's been super exciting. This whole YouTube journey has been really, really exciting. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for the subscribes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the shares. Thank you for being who you are. I hope you guys all have a great day. Let's go get cold. God bless. I'll see you on the next video.